Hey Sarah here, this is my brother
Alex.
and today we're going to be doing the turning Halloween slime into Christmas slime challenge. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by taking out the spiders and all the stuff that's Halloween. That.
Where do you? I only have spiders, I think.
I have spiders and glitter.
Oh, we have to take out the glitter too?
If it looks like Halloween glitter, yeah. I guess.
Oh. Because I have lots of it at the bottom.
Then just don't use it. Okay, I'll take out the top because the bottom has like glitter. And I don't want that glitter. Okay there.
It'll make yours look prettier. You should keep it.
Huh. Okay.
Oh no, there is! I thought I was almost halfway done.
And there's what's that? It looks like wood clanging.
Yeah. I don't know what it is. That's how it looked like when I
Oh, I'm almost done.
got it out.
Look, this part is done. This is two, this is two, this is two, there's a spider here. This is done, this is done, this is done. This is am I done? I am done! Okay, it's like you start changing the
I'm
color.
not.
This is red. This is red food coloring.
She has to turn hers into red. I had to turn mine into green. Which is gonna be harder for me.
Yeah, mine is orange, but like it's easier to turn into red. Okay.
Still stuck with the spiders.
Wow.
I think I'm almost done though.
Are red and green the only Christmas colors? I think there's also like silver and gold, isn't it?
Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah,
Probably. And blue.
What? And pink and purple.
The whole rainbow.
Is our Christmas colors. Some here. I got glitter on my hand. Wait, no, it's food coloring, not glitter. Okay. Oh, no. It's getting everywhere. This is harder than I thought. I thought like, I'm just gonna put some glitter in there, some shiny stuff, and I'm done. But no, it takes a lot of food coloring. I can't see the food coloring anymore. So, ew, there's a hair. There's a hair.
I poured too much. Do you want some?
Nope.
Okay. Perfect. Dang, it's too much.
I think now it's gonna be overactivated.
Yeah, probably.
Oh. My fingers are now red. It's okay.
I need more.
You overactivated it, huh?
I don't know.
Activated it. I am almost done. I think this looks red enough, does it?
I don't know. I'm concentrating on mine. Because you messed it up.
I messed it up.
Yes, you.
Okay. Okay, that's good enough. It looks red to me. So now
That's not red.
Yes, it is.
Okay, whatever you say.
Add some red glitter, some Christmas red glitter.
I think mine is activated now. There we go.
I think I added too much.
So, what did you add?
Glitter.
Food coloring?
What?
You added food
No,
coloring?
I think I ruined it with glitter. I added too much
Did you add
glitter.
shaving cream?
No. Do you want shaving cream?
I want to try to see how it comes out.
And you got it on me. You felt
It fell
it.
on my face. Why is mine leaking?
I don't know. Mine is too. Don't worry.
You sabotaged me.
More of this.
I think I added too much green.
I think I had too much glitter.
I should have been the Grinch for Halloween.
You should have been the Grinch. Oh, you know what I noticed? That the Grinch and Santa Claus are like opposites. The Grinch likes taking presents, and
Yeah, but at
Santa
the end he
Claus.
doesn't. Turn purple. Dark purple.
That is not Halloween.
Can I have some shaving cream?
Yup. Oh, you know you shouldn't add an activator.
What?
This kind of activates it.
I don't care.
Okay.
Let's see if this helps.
I'm gonna make a swirl and then add some glitter, and then some more glitter.
Yeah, but I shouldn't have added it.
Okay, I am done. Ta-da! And some of this. Okay. Ta-da! And that's my slime.
Ta-da! That is my slime.
Oh no. I think mine was easier to fix than yours.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
And a
getting
cleaner
better.
station.
It's working. Ding.
You think?
Yeah. But I have to add more food color.
A lot. And I have to clean the food clay that I dropped on the table. Food clay is really hard to get off of stuff.
And things.
The same thing.
No.
Same
And your
stuff.
hands.
Okay, I am done.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Oh yeah, I'm not. I need a bow. I need a green bow to wrap it. This is gonna be your Christmas present.
I want it.
Wow. Okay. This is my slime. We'll be back once his turns into green, which might be never.
Yeah. I finally turned it into green. So now I just need to add I need to add the glitter and the what is it called?
The foam. Foam. Well, I've been waiting for him like for an hour now.
Liar. It was just 15 minutes.
But I am done. I'm gonna make some bubbles. Okay.
Glitter everywhere.
Wait. Wow! Come on! Oh no, my hair. Oh no, my hair!
Yes.
No! There. I'm cleaning my face. And then
Wow, you know what I just thought of?
this
We
is
should
yours.
we should have done a video in which we were wearing in which you were wearing your Halloween costume.
No. And you should wear yours.
Okay, but now I just need to have this.
Yours looks.
Looks what?
I didn't mean to.
This one is going on yours.
No,
You better not bring it up. You better not bring it up.
No, it was not. It looks good. Yours looks better than mine though.
No.
No, look. So there is a difference between this and this. You could tell. This is orange and this is red. Yeah, red.
Let me see. That is orange. Oh, this one looks better though.
I don't care. Oh no! I wanted to do something. Look. This is a Christmas swirl.
It went
It's
all
pretty.
according to plan.
It's so pretty. I actually like it, but once you mix it, no. Oh my god.
I want to see how it looks.
Some of this, and you put it
It looks
together.
pink. It's pink. Brownish pink.
I thought it would turn into brown. Oh, it's pretty.
I told you yours was closer to pink than red.
It's red. I used a lot. Ew. You farted.
That was you.
Ew, so.
Okay, I'm done.
I am done. Oh,
There, I'm done.
this is mine.
This one's mine.
Pooh. Ah!
No,
I am Hulk.
mine. Let me see. See, this is how. Oh, it still looks Christmassy.
Wow.
That's cool.
Wait, can I have some? Okay,
No.
thank you. Look. I'm gonna try to make a triangle to
You're
be the
gonna make-
tree. And then I'm gonna make a Christmas tree. Okay, so that's the triangle from the tree.
Mhm.
And then so, no, don't ruin it, please. And so like that.
Where's the bottom part of the tree?
It's some of this. There. And where's the star? Here it is. Oh, there's the star. Like my tree? It's pretty.
Looks like a candy.
It looks like a It looks like a cookie. You can grab it.
Looks like a burrito.
Oh, it looks so pretty.
Looks like a burrito.
Oh, ew. I think that you can make a green burrito.
You ruined my burrito. Okay, I'm done.
This is my burrito, and that's his burrito.
Mine
Comment
is
down
a
who.
green chili burrito.
Mine is a red chili burrito.
Green chili's better.
No, I like red better. Comment down below whose burrito you like the best, the green one or the red one. Well, that's all for today. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn your bell notification on to get notified every time I post a new video.
It's
And
snowing glitter.
comment down below whose song you like the best. Or whose burrito you like the best. And yeah, bye!